Bitcoin just broke above a key resistance level, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Bitcoin analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in a free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. Now, yesterday you can see that we mentioned that we were possibly going to be looking to retest this $20,000 level before we finally move back up. And you can see how perfect of a V-shaped formation we have played out on Bitcoin. Now, there is something to consider, obviously, the fact that this might lead to a double top formation, but I'll go ahead and explain that later in the video. As of right now, we can see that once we got that breakout formation right over here with this candlestick, this was that confirmation that we will possibly be retesting the highs. You can see leading up to pretty much the highs, we had multiple wicks going in very quite choppy ranges, but we finally had that liquidity grab here around the $21,000 level and now testing above this resistance level again at 20.7. Now, of course, when we're looking at it from this perspective, this can look like a double top formation, but we have to obviously wait and to get that confirmation and see whether or not Bitcoin can actually hold this 20.7 on the 4 hours, right? If we see 3 or 4 wicks bouncing off the support level and then that continuation, our overall level for around the $22,800 will definitely play. But if we see that break formation and that continuation to the downside and we possibly retest this $20,000 level, then we would have a different sort of pattern in play, right? Then we would be looking for an M-shaped formation, which pretty much would look like this, that to the downside in an extremely bearish pattern. So right now it's going to be very, very risky to enter any position. We pretty much have to wait until we receive that confirmation. And of course, it is the weekend, so things tend to be a little bit more manipulated. So right now we're just going to sit and see whether or not Bitcoin can actually hold above the 20.7 and possibly start to continue overall. The reason why the $22,800 level is so important is because you can see that's pretty much where this large move started. We had this invert bar formation and now looking to retest those highs. If we can get that retest confirmation or even a short squeeze up there, that would become very nice for that shorting opportunity all the way back down to the lows. But if we do drop from here, things would look very wary for Bitcoin and overall for the crypto market in general. Right now we're on the 1 hour time frame, so you can see that we are seeing multiple retests. And again, we aren't seeing that confirmation from that bullish momentum just yet. Of course, by the time I upload this video, you might see another move to the upside, but overall, right now, we are seeing pretty much a 3-test confirmation on the 1 hour. We are bouncing on this support level, but if we do see that break of that exponential moving average, of course, then we would be looking for our shorting opportunities. You can see kind of the same thing I'm talking about right over here as we saw multiple retests of this resistance. Couldn't break above. We saw that exponential average move break, wait for the retest, and then the confirmation. That was your area to actually take that shorting position and actually ride Bitcoin back down. So right now, we're looking for sort of the same sort of patterns, right? If we can start seeing the same sort of rejection candlesticks on the 1 hour, and we start to see that on the resistance level side right below the exponential moving averages, we can definitely start looking for the overall short position again to play out this M formation. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in a free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.